So, um, magnet fishing. I don't have my GoPro with me. It's dead. And I'm also gonna get another one. But I don't know if you guys could see that. But there was a beaver there, and look at that. I found me a very old and destroyed crowbar under this bridge. You see that? Old and destroyed. That has been down there for years. There's where the, well, that would go. And then here's the bent part. Look at that, that's bent. That's been using something. Oh, someone's coming. Okay, so what I have here is just some other stuff I found. That's my glasses. I didn't find that. These bottles were on this road, so I picked them all up, and yeah. But with my magnet, I also found 2 nails right there. Oh, someone's coming. In this river. I'm gonna see if I can catch any more. I'm gonna hold my phone real good. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a little clearer than I can see because it's a little darker. I don't know if you see that, but there's a piece of wood and there's nails in there. I'm gonna try to get that wood out, but it's gonna be tough. Okay. Oh yeah, and also I'm in Capac, Michigan. I gotta say, I've never seen so many beavers and deers in my life because every 15 minutes I see a deer cross the street or the road or into a forest. And then beavers are over there. There's a beaver right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a cute little joey one. Well, it's not a baby, but I still call it a joey. So I'm gonna find out. That's another can. So I'm probably gonna have to pick that up. Pick up as many trash as I can. Um, Over there on that side, there's like 4 tires to a vehicle. So that's something. Um, yeah. See you guys in another video.